In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add site-wide animations using Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're looking to give your website a dynamic flair or simply want your design to stand out with some engaging motion, this guide will help you get there. Let's dive right in and explore how you can add these animations easily. Start by navigating to your site's main page on Squarespace. You'll want to ensure you're logged in so you can access all the editing tools. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner for the Edit Site button. Go ahead and click it. This action will open up the site editing mode, allowing you to make dynamic changes visible across your Squarespace website. Next, move over to the Site menu on the left-hand side and click on the section labeled Site Styles. This area of your dashboard is where you can make alterations to various design elements, including our focus for today, animations. In Site Styles, you'll find options that let you tailor the look and feel of your entire site with broad strokes, so it acts as a perfect hub for site-wide adjustments. Scrolling through the Site Styles menu, look for the Miscellaneous section. This category might sound like a mix of things, but it specifically houses several site-enhancing features, including the animation settings we need. By selecting this, you uncover new options that allow for further customization of your site's design aesthetics. Once you click on the Miscellaneous tab, direct your attention to the Animations setting within it. This is the gateway to instituting the movement effects across your site. Clicking here will reveal a list of possible animation types, providing flexibility depending on how subtle or bold you want the movement to be. For the next steps, the key is experimentation and finding what feels best for your site's narrative and user experience. You'll have options like Highlight, where particular elements on your site will be animated to draw visitor attention. This can be highly effective for important pieces of content you want to emphasize. Once you've checked out the highlighting options, explore the available speeds. You can choose from slow, medium, to fast, heightening your site's motion narrative. Start with slow to see how a more deliberate animation speed fits your site's style, and if you fancy something more vibrant, try switching to fast. The shifts in animation can significantly impact visitor engagement, so take your time here and pick a rhythm that resonates best with your site. There you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly incorporate animations throughout Squarespace, making your website not only aesthetically pleasing but also engaging. Test these settings out and see how animations can transform your digital space into a lively, interactive experience for your viewers. Thanks for watching and enjoy designing with Squarespace.